David, what are we looking at here?
We're looking at a 1919 Model T Ford runabout, made for deliveries and the working man.
Did you do the work yourself?
I've done a lot of it, but yeah, I bought it 90% finished.
And so this would have come just like this without a
This
cab?
would have come like this with options for delivery van body, or this with multiple boxes or applications for the rear. It's got a little 20 horse 4-cylinder motor in it. 1919 was the first year of the electric start. So this is kind of nice. I don't have to crank start it every time I go someplace.
Right, that's a big benefit, isn't it?
It is when it's cold and rainy.
And I'm sure the 3 pedals throws a lot of people off.
The 3 pedals do throw people off. You know, you've got 3 pedals and a lever on the floor, and none of them are gas pedal. You've got a throttle up here, and you've got your timing advance or the capabilities of retarding it. And you've got a brake, a reverse, and a clutch. The clutch is actually a low speed and a high speed. So yeah, it's a little tricky to drive, but not a whole lot different than a tractor.
And if I'm not mistaken, you hold your foot down and you let it off, and that's what lets the car going, right?
I put this into neutral and push the clutch down, that's low speed. And then when I let off the clutch and push the lever forward, that's high speed. All the way back is a brake.
So what's its normal speed driving to and down the road?
At 35, 40 miles an hour, I can adjust the carburetor air fuel mixture down here and play with it. I might get 40. It's got a choke, a little horn wire, and a air fuel mixture underneath the dash that you can play with while you're driving.
And does it brake really good, or?
It brakes just fine. You wouldn't want to fly up on something and expect to stop.
Right.
There's no hydraulic brakes on it. It's just drum brakes that expand and contract. I mean, it's a pretty simple system. Nothing to really go bad, but
benefit cruise in here.
Well, it looks really neat when you drove in. It sounded good. It looked cool.
A ton of fun for a 102 years old to drive anything close to it down the road. It's a blast.
Well, and what I see is there's a lot of Model Ts out there. It must be the engines are just about bulletproof, right?
They are certainly close to that. I mean, everything is rebuildable.
Yeah. Probably if it's ever an apocalypse, the car that will be out running around will be a Model T,
right?
So,
with Sheriff.
Yeah. Well, thanks for sharing with us.
Pleasure.